Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the April Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections. You'll get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. These kits come out every month, so it's a great way to get new product coming in with just a sample without breaking the bank. You also get lots of freebies. So along with your kit, you have access to 4 recipe cards. These are for double page layouts. They're designed by the amazing design team here. They give you their cutting instructions and then a full color photograph of the finished layout and walk you right through all of the steps so you can create right along with them. You also get a sample of gourmet coffee so you can brew that up and sip on it while you unbox or while you start creating. You also have access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You exclusively for our subscribers. So this month is this awesome diamond frame with a bow cut file. It's super cute. It'll go great with all of these collections. It's so versatile. So be sure to grab all of your freebies. Along with the flavors of the month, we also have 3 add-on kits, so you can get more cardstock or pattern paper or embellishments to have your kits go even further. You can also check out our Shots of Life because it coordinates as well and it can give you more pattern paper and embellishments. I'll have reveal videos at the end for all of those, so be sure to check them out. This month our 4 collections is Secret Garden from Cartabella. We have On the Farm from Cartabella as well. Photo Play Paper, The Happy Life, and Simple Stories, a simple vintage floral shop. So you can see it's all about spring, florals, and just really versatile kits that you can scrapbook a lot of different things with. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything you're going to get this month. Our first collection we're going to look at is Secret Garden from Cartabella. And this is kind of themed around the book Secret Garden. You're going to see a quote here in the embellishments that I received. But it's a beautiful floral collection. I love the colors. It's all very soft pinks and yellows and blues with the golden. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of natural cardstock. Your pattern paper starts with this floral sheet. The back is a lighter blue with this little print here, kind of like a wallpaper print. That's called Perfect Picks. Then we have this sweet little bird print with the little florals. The back is another tone on tone, with this time in pink, again with the little dot pattern. That paper is called Sweet Birds. And then we have another floral. This is more kind of like a wildflower print. The back is another tone on tone, this time with green, and that one's called Magical Stems. So one more look at the pattern paper. Your embellishments will vary, but you're going to get 2 of the sticker sheets. So these are the 2 that I received, a border, and then this one that has some icons as well as some quotes. And then you're also going to get some brads, so these will vary as well, but I got these 3 brads here. So that is Secret Garden from Cartabella. Our next collection is On the Farm from Cartabella, and I love this. Most of the farm collections are bright primary, but this one's a soft, whimsical kind of design, and I love it. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your pattern paper is this beautiful floral cluster. Love the rusty pinkish reds in here and the yellows and the greens with the blue. Then we have a red gingham. This is called Farm Life Floral. Then we have a gorgeous, fun truck, this time in the blue with the farm animals. I love it with the hay bales and the cows and the chickens. It's so cute. The back is a plaid green. This one is called Truckload of Animals. And then we have this gorgeous plaid that has all of the colors featured. And the back is a polka dot on that rusty red. And that one's called Farm Sweet Farm Plaid. So one more look at the patterned paper. Definitely going to need some more of this collection. For your embellishments, you're going to get a couple of doilies, and you're going to get a third a pack of the ephemera pieces, so these will vary, and then you're going to get some of the enamel dots, so those will vary in colors as well, but I got the blue. So that is On the Farm from Cartabella. Our next collection is This Happy Life from Photo Play Paper, and this is just kind of like a daily throughout the year collection, so you can do lots of things with it. You'll start with 2 sheets of green cardstock. Another beautiful floral paper in the pinks and the bright yellows. This paper is called This Year. The back is a pink polka dot on yellow. This paper has all of the cute little hearts. Some are just the outline and some are filled in. This paper is called All My Life. We have a plaid with all of the different colors. We have this paper called Every Day, which is a diagonal stripe in all of the different colors, and the back is this really pretty tone-on-toned pink floral print. So one more look at your patterned paper, bright and cheery for this spring. Your embellishments will be the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a scalloped border of that stripe, lots of words to create titles with. I love drink tea and read books. I love that it's tea this time and not coffee. I'm a tea drinker. We have the icon of that mug that is so popular, a cute little banner, little guest check. So lots of options there for your embellishments. So that is this Happy Life from Photoplay Paper. Our final collection is the Simple Vintage Floral Shop from Simple Stories, and this is all about spring and florals in the garden. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Fig Swirl. This beautiful paper that's a perfect background with the viewfinder, bingo card, and floral cluster over here on the pink. The back is all of the ephemera stacked up, all of these different tickets and ledgers, so cute. Then we have the Journal Elements page, and I always love these. Lots of options to tuck in for embellishments and journaling both. The back is this beautiful floral on the blue. Then we have this one that's Polaroid frames. I love this. This is called Captured. Has the sweet little daisies on the side. This would be so cute. Cut a strip and put little photographs here. You could even do a couple of strips. It's super quick, easy design. And the back is all of the different colors and dots on a brown. So one more look at that patterned paper. Your embellishments, you're going to get a nice mixture. You're going to get a few brads here. You're also going to get some of the sentiment pieces and then some of just the ephemera pieces. So a good mixture. And again, all of these will vary. So that is Simple Vintage Flower Shop. One more look at your flavors of the month. Don't forget to download all those freebies. Join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. We have lots of challenges that you can join in on to win some prizes, lots of inspiration. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.